Why do millions of Muslims around the world adhere to these practices? Discover the significance of the 5 pillars of Islam in just 2 minutes. Welcome to our quick guide on the 5 pillars of Islam, the essential beliefs that provide a framework for a Muslim's spiritual and everyday life. First up, Shahada, or the Declaration of Faith. It's a simple yet profound statement. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This pillar is about commitment and recognizing Muhammad as Allah's prophet. Next, we have Salah, the 5 daily prayers. These prayers are a direct link between the worshipper and Allah, performed at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset and evening. It's not just a ritual, but a way to refocus on what truly matters and seek guidance throughout the day. Moving on to Zakat, or almsgiving. This is giving a fixed portion of one's savings to the poor and needy, typically 2.5% of one's wealth. It's about purification, reminding Muslims to be generous and help those in less fortunate circumstances. Fourth, we have Sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan. From dawn to sunset, Muslims fast from food, drink and other physical needs. It teaches self-discipline, self-control and empathy for the less fortunate. Finally, Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. It's a once-in-a-lifetime obligation for those who are physically and financially able to undertake it. This spiritual journey represents equality and unity among Muslims, as everyone wears similar simple clothing and stands before God together. And there you have it, the 5 pillars of Islam in a nutshell. Simple practices with profound meanings that guide the lives of billions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insightful content.